In a moment, in the wink of an eye, in a moment, as the world passes by, you can see a smile as it breaks, and the magic that it makes.
For the next sketch, point the Italian way you want, this way.
Let's go, gentlemen. Thank you.
Hey, Frank, it's Tony Pomponio. Hey, listen, I'm heading over to Enzo's. I talked to Chef Vito today, and he told me, come on down. He's got some great food, and they got a bocce court, and you know what? I think we're going to have a good time. Get over here. Hey, Tony, what the heck? How did you get here so fast?
You said it. Food, bocce, that's a talk. I don't need to waste any time about that. So let's go in and have some good food.
Well, let's get this party started. All right.
Welcome to Filtrini's restaurant. My name is Simone. I come from Parma, Italy. And if you come here, you sign in for a very good time.
Okay, then we top it off with a little bit extra virgin olive oil from Italy. Fresh ciabatta bread.
Today we have veal scallopini, and we have spaghetti aglio olio, we have a caprese salad, and also my famous arancini.
Buongiorno. So my name is Emilio, and my name is Federico. We're the Corsetti brothers.
Ciao a tutti. Welcome to Mangia Music Show with the two Tonys. Tony, what are we serving today?
Oh, today I'm going to do one of my favorite menus. It's going to be lasagna.
In a moment, in the wink of an eye, in a moment, as the world passes by, you can see a smile as it breaks, and the magic that it makes. In a moment, just a casual glance changes slowly to the maddest romance, a new life, a new attitude, in a moment's interlude. In a matter of no time at all, you can win with your back to the wall. With a car to the river, your aces, home run on the bases. In a moment, though you're desperate and down, in a moment, it can all turn around. It's a fact I've known to be true from the moment I saw you.